Hi, hope all is well. Um, Today we are going to discuss about the reminders in Dynamics 365 Business Center. I assume you people are ERP user and have the basic understanding of ERP and the accounting system. But for the beginners who just started Dynamics 365 Business Central as a functional consultant or a user, uh, I just want to give little overview about the reminder. So reminder is a notification you can say when we send invoice to our customer. There are number of customer they do not pay on time. So every system has a functionality to send the reminders. Uh, and nowadays every modern ERP has very advanced feature of sending reminders. Similarly, in the Business Central, there is a functionality to send auto reminders, and in the reminders we can set up a few things that today we are going to discuss. We can uh, set up the levels of the reminders and when the reminder the first reminder will issue, and if uh, due to the late payment, if we want to charge extra to the customer, then we can do. So all these things we are going to cover in today's video. So let's jump in. Business Center. Well, first we go and search the reminders terms. Okay, these are administration. Okay, here by the way, we need to set up as we are using the Cronus company and Microsoft has already set up the basic level of reminder. I'm just giving the high level uh, overview of this setup. So here we can create the number of reminders. We can make uh, as many as reminders, same like the posting groups or the categories. It's up to you. But usually, if you are dealing with the foreign customers, must create one domestic and one foreign reminder for the foreign customers. Okay. Then description, number of maximum reminders you can set here. You want to post the interest or not. If you will take it, it means it will post the interest in entries, customer entries or GL entries. Similar additional fee. If we charge the additional fee, okay, then we need to select it and post additional fee per line. If there are the number of invoices and every invoice has a number of lines, and we want to uh, charge a fee per line, then this field will be applicable. And the minimum amount that we are going to charge, we can define here. But these are the main default settings. Okay, and note about line fee. If you want to add some extended text in the report when you are going to send, you can type here something. Then the important thing is the levels. Here if you click on the levels, it's mean this customer domestic customers levels, like same we have a sale orders and then we have the lines, same way that was the header you can say, and these are the lines. Okay, so we are going to send three reminders. uh, it's a sequence. It must be it cannot be a sequence, but recommended that you always keep like a sequence number, but you can keep any alphanumeric. It's up to you. It's a code type um, field. Okay, the grace period. What is the grace period? Grace period mean if your invoice is due on 30th of April 2024, then after 5 days, this reminder will be issued. Grace period. After 5 days, this reminder will be issued. And after issuing this uh, reminder, what would be the new due date that you have to calculate this fee? Okay, and the new due date of your payment would be after 1 month. Okay, and if you want to calculate the interest, you need to click here. You can read more if you click here. What is that? I think there is no specify whether interest should be calculated on the reminder lines. Okay, we are going to keep it false, and the additional fee. So when we are sending this reminder, $23 will be charged of all lines, whatever. If they are the hundreds of lines, so it will charge only 23. If we want to keep with the uh, per line wise, we can put here, and here we can, for now we are just going to calculate the fixed price, but in Microsoft documentation you can read this single and dynamics single and cumulated fee. So we are going to have a fixed fee, and if we are charging the fee per line and we want to keep the description of what we are going to charge, we can put here. And one more thing is important, that here in the level you can say these two things are extended text. We can create like this. You will be charged like percentage one, like, and percentage two. So in the documentation, I will add this link in the description, where in the documentation, Microsoft documentation, you can read about this prefix or the postfix, what they are doing. So here we can add whatever. Like I'm going to, we will see what will be the meaning of this. Okay. So all done. Now we go back and mm, we try to create reminder reminders. Okay, create reminder, new one, create any customer, this customer. Okay, And this field is very important. You have to add this line before getting the suggested line. So domestic that we set up right away. Okay, now suggested reminder lines. So once you will do this, it will ask you what lines you are going to add. Is over uh, due amount only, and if you want to add the open entries, so usually we don't keep the open entry, so we will keep only overdue amount. Okay, that's all. Rest fine. And so all these amounts are doable. So this this is a reminder, and this is the extra fee that we are going to charge. Okay, and if we want to check the report, we go back and action test report. Okay, we go and see the preview. So these are lines. Okay, and once you issue this, system is asking to send email or the print. In this case, we are just having uh, the print. If you want to replace the posting date, you can make it enable and put the new uh, uh, posting date. And if you want to send the email, like if we send the email, then system will open a email dialog. If you will keep it true, it will hide, otherwise it will. Okay, now we do. Here you can see. So this is the email we are going to send. Okay, and the attachment also there. All good. And once you send this, then this reminder, as system is considering that the reminder is sent, so no, it is in issued reminder. Issue. You see the level one. And if you go to this customer, okay, if we go this customer, and we check its balance, the open entries, posted entries, you can see